up until I would say about a week ago, I thought this was common sense. But since it's clearly not, we're going to go over how to order the appropriate size vehicle when you need a Uber or Lyft ride. Okay? The first thing is you have to understand that Uber and Lyft have different size options for you to choose from. So we're going to start with Uber. Uber's basic car is called uberxl. That car, no matter what kind it is required to have 4 doors and 5 seats. Of those 5 seats, only 4 of them are for passengers. Okay? So if you're ordering an uberxl, you need to know there's 4 doors and 4 seats available. Now, Uber also has a uberxl. That vehicle also can have 4 doors minimum, and it can carry between 6 to 7 passengers. So with an uberxl, you are likely to get a SUV or an extended SUV. Okay? We're just talking about sizes. We're not talking about luxury and all that. We're just straight up sizes. So for Uber, you have an uberxl that can carry up to 4 passengers, because if it has 5 seats, one of them is designated for the driver. With an uberxl, you can have up to 6 to 7 passengers. Okay? Now, Lyft has the exact same thing, just a different title. On the Lyft option, the small car that has 4 doors, 5 seats, and can carry up to 4 passengers, that's called a standard Lyft. All right? So for the Lyft XL, that vehicle can carry up to 6 passengers. All right? So now we have the basic understanding between a standard vehicle or UberX and a XL vehicle. All right? If you are traveling by yourself, you want to pick a vehicle, no matter if it's a UberX or XL, that you can actually fit through the door, get in without knocking the door off the hinges or tearing down the thing that you hold on the handle to get in. Okay? You have to be able to get in the vehicle with ease. All right? Because I'm not sure where the liability stands between the passenger and the driver and the car if you tear it up trying to get in. So you want to pick a vehicle that you can get in with ease, with the door still attached and the handle still attached. Once you get in the vehicle, you need to make sure that you can buckle up your seatbelt. That means the 2 metal pieces click into each other and it is locked in and secure. Okay? Once you're able to get the seatbelt on and you are sitting in the vehicle comfortably, just make sure that that vehicle does not tilt to the side or the other side or tilt back. That means there's too much weight in that one spot. Okay? Some vehicles have a carrying capacity of 700 pounds, 900 pounds, 1,000 pounds. That is meant to be evenly distributed, not in one place. Okay, so if you get in with ease, you get your seatbelt on and it buckles with ease, and you can still breathe. The door is still attached, the handle's still attached, the seat didn't sink in, the tires didn't go flat, the car is not tilted one way or the other or front to back. That size vehicle or that type of vehicle is appropriate for you. If any of those things happen, that size vehicle is not appropriate for you. Okay? So if you order a standard Lyft vehicle or UberX vehicle, if any of those things happen, you need to, in the future, get a larger vehicle. Okay? That'll save you some time as far as trying to get in. It'll save you possibly some money depending on how much damage that can be prevented. Okay? That also will help the driver out because he can go ahead and move on to the next customer who can actually fit in his car and have a safe ride. Okay? Now, if you order a small car and you're traveling with a few people, the standard vehicle and the UberX vehicle is allotted for passengers. You cannot lap seat people or children. Okay? Each passenger that gets in the vehicle has to have their own designated seat. If you have 6 people with you, then you need to order a UberX. It's simple as that. The math has to math. If it is 5 seats in the car, you can only put 4 additional people in the car. The driver is 1 and then the 4 passengers. So if you have 6 people with you, you cannot go in a UberX. You would need to order a uberxl or a Lyft XL. This is common sense. Okay? Everybody has to have their own seat. Everybody has to be able to buckle up their seatbelt. Okay? Now, if you're traveling by yourself, but you have 50-11 suitcases, you cannot fit in a UberX or a standard Lyft vehicle, even though it's just you, because you have 50-11 suitcases. So if you have 50-11 suitcases, then you need to order a uberxl or a Lyft XL, or potentially a XXL, okay, which is one of those extended SUVs. All right. And especially if you're traveling, 4 or 5 of y'all traveling, and you have, 50-11 suitcases, there's no way on earth that you're going to fit in a standard vehicle or an UberX. And you may not even fit in a UberXL or a Lyft XL. In that situation, you may have to order 2 vehicles. Okay? So let's review. You want to order a vehicle that you can get in without tearing up anything on the outside or the inside, that you don't make the vehicle lean one way or another, that the tires will have air in them while you're driving and when you get out, and that your seatbelt can buckle, and that whatever you're taking with you, no matter if it's a suitcase, if it's your bags, it all fits comfortably in the vehicle. If all those things happen, if you can get that done, that is an appropriate size vehicle for you. If those things occur, flat tires, you're tearing up stuff, you can't fit in, your suitcase or your bags don't fit, that is not an appropriate vehicle for you. So what I recommend riders do is, once you experience it once and you know that is not a good look, it doesn't work, do not continue to order the same size vehicle. It's like insanity. It's like doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. If you know that you cannot fit in a UberX, don't order it. If you know that you're carrying 50-11 bags, don't you order no UberX. Go ahead and order XL. Save yourself some time, some anxiety and embarrassment, and just wasting the Uber driver's time or the Lyft driver's time. Okay? Do the right thing. Make it make sense. Use common sense. All right, that's your passenger tips. Again, we love our passengers. Thank you for being passengers. We just want you to show respect to our property, because you need the ride and we need you to ride. So let's work together as a team. All right, that's not too much to ask for. Make it make sense and use common sense. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.